Have you ever wondered how someone with diabetes manages their day-to-day life? Diabetes, a condition that affects the way your body utilizes glucose or blood sugar, is a daily reality for millions around the world. There are two main types. Type 1, where your body doesn't produce insulin, and Type 2, where it doesn't use insulin effectively. These two types may seem similar, but they're quite different, and both require a careful balancing act to manage. Picture a tightrope walker, delicately balancing on a thin wire. That's what managing diabetes can feel like. Every meal, every activity, even moments of stress can tip the scales, causing blood sugar levels to rise or fall. This balancing act is not just about maintaining a steady pace on the wire, but also about preventing the potential complications that can occur if you fall. So, understanding the basics of diabetes is the first step to effectively managing it. So, what are the key components in managing diabetes effectively? Well, let's dive right in. The first crucial aspect is regular monitoring of blood sugar levels. This is the compass that guides all other decisions in diabetes management. It's like a personal GPS for your health, keeping you on track. Next up, we have diet. Maintaining a balanced diet is not just about avoiding sugar, it's about understanding and balancing carbohydrates, proteins and fats. It's about nourishing your body with the right fuel. Physical activity, another pillar, plays a dual role. It not only helps to control blood sugar levels, but also boosts overall health. It's like hitting two birds with one stone. Medication, when prescribed, is a key player. It's like the co-pilot, supporting your journey towards effective diabetes management. Finally, regular doctor's appointments ensure that you're on the right path, providing you with expert advice tailored specifically to your needs. Though it may seem overwhelming at first, managing these factors can become second nature with practice and consistency. Can what you eat really make a difference in managing diabetes? Let's dive into the role nutrition plays in controlling this condition. A balanced diet is paramount in managing diabetes. It's not just about cutting out sugar. It's about a comprehensive approach that includes lean proteins, whole grains, fruits and vegetables. These foods, in the right proportions, can keep your blood sugar levels steady. Now, let's talk portion control. It's easy to overeat, even healthy foods, but overdoing it can spike your blood sugar. A good rule of thumb is to fill half your plate with non-starchy vegetables, a quarter with protein, and the rest with grains or starchy foods. Understanding how different foods affect your blood sugar is also crucial. This is where the concept of the glycemic index comes in. It measures how quickly a food raises your blood sugar. Foods with a low glycemic index are digested slower, leading to a more gradual rise in blood sugar. With the right nutrition knowledge, you can enjoy a variety of foods while keeping your diabetes under control. Diabetes management may seem daunting, but it's entirely possible with the right tools and mindset. In the journey we've embarked on today, we've unraveled the essential aspects of managing this chronic condition. We've explored the vital role of nutrition and how it intertwines with diabetes management. But remember, knowledge alone isn't power. Action is. If you suspect you might have diabetes, or if you're already diagnosed, seek professional advice. There's a myriad of medical professionals ready to assist you in your journey towards better health. Diabetes may be a part of your life, but it doesn't have to define it. It's about learning to adapt, making informed decisions, and taking one step at a time. The road may be long and winding, but with perseverance and the right mindset, it's a journey you can navigate successfully. Remember, managing diabetes is not about perfection, but about progress and making healthier choices each day. You've got this.